So this is a set that I got at the thrift store for $6. Made in Japan, quarter inch and 3/8 socket set. It's missing some sockets, it's missing the ratchet. It's probably from about 1980s. These probably sold for $5 to $10. You can see some of the stampings are upside down. The quality is not what I would expect from a Japanese tool. Although some look decent, it's almost as if it was like a night shift, day shift situation. So the sockets are actually a bonus because the reason I bought this is for the case. The case reminds me of what's available from Trusco, Japan. They make toolboxes of different sizes and out of metal, similar to these. So, yeah, I like getting cases for organization as well as pouches just to stay organized. Here's an example I'm gonna show about just staying organized, keeping all the Allen and Torx in the same container. So what do you think? Do you think it was worth $6?